All right, we are at the Sandpiper Beach Resort. We got an elevator here. And it's a Mowrey, looks like. Motor room there with a rusty door. Oh. Okay. So that's just open then. Here's what a Mowrey controller looks like. Oh, it's EC. All right, well, no need to show that. We've all seen EC and Mowrey, basic gas pump before. Anyway, let's ride. I think this probably replaced an older Mowrey. 7. See if it is actually working. Yeah, we can go to 7. This actually goes past the corridors. Hydraulic. Yeah, take a look. You can actually, oh wow. Nice, the button is already broken. Oh wow, beautiful view. That must be like the lifeguard or something. Quickly, but look. It actually goes past the corridors of the hotel. Interesting design. But, all right, let's head back down now. I'm not actually supposed to be parked in that lot, so I want to get my stuff here done before I get towed. That would kind of ruin the trip. But it hasn't happened so far, so we're good for now. Why do some of those buttons push in like not at all, and some of them push in like a ton? We'll watch it from this angle. Sorry, it's a good video.
Oh, you're good, bro.
Have a good one.
Yeah.
Let's watch the elevator go. See, look, you can just see the thing go from the outside there. Anyway, that will be all.